Even though we just released version 1.4.8, we're back again with a brand new version of SketchWow, and I'm excited to showcase to you the all-new version 1.4.9. And wait till you see what we added to this version. I think you'll be excited, just like that person you see at the bottom of your screen, about some of the new features we've added to this newest update. And also, based upon the amazing feedback we got, the positive feedback we got from the last video, we're going to do more highlight reels like this for every new version of SketchWow that we release. So I hope you're excited about this, because based upon your enthusiasm and your comments, you seem to really like these highlight reel videos. So we're going to keep doing them. So moving along here, what does version 1.4.9 include? Well, we're going to kind of hold a little bit of a spoiler alert here. We're including multi-background colors, so you can actually have independent colors for every page you create within SketchWow, which makes it really great when doing presentations, because now the background colors are independent of the default settings you use on one page. Also, you can flip animations and images that you import into SketchWow. Before, that wasn't available. Again, it's a simple little new feature add, but really important for those of you that want to just have more control on making your animations face left or face right, up or down, or that sort of thing. And last, but by no means least, as you can see here with the finger pointing to it, this is the #1 most requested feature that we have seen in the past several months by far. It was loud and clear that you wanted to see this feature added. It took a little bit of time for our development team to really crack the code and to add this, but I think you'll be thrilled once you see the added power you have when you're creating sketches within SketchWow. And this was based upon a lot of feedback that came in. I'm only showing you a glimpse of some of the comments we got over the past week or so, over the past few days as I'm creating this video. You can see here at the top of the screen, a good day. Is it possible to have a document that has 2 or more templates, or 1 template per page, for example? Thomas asks, can you integrate elements from different templates into either page 1 or different pages, and can create multiple pages and allow each page to import a template? So you can kind of see what people are asking for here. John asks, how do I get one of your templates onto my page 3 as an example? So obviously we've heard you loud and clear that you want the ability to actually add pages to an existing sketch from other sketches you created or files you saved, or you want the ability to import a template into an existing sketch, or reversing the script, you want to add a template and then add pages from other files of other sketches you created. So I'm happy to report that yes, this is all available now within SketchWow. So rather than talk about it, let's dive in and show you exactly how it works, okay? So suppose this is my document, a 3-page document, and I want to add elements from a really cool template that I found in SketchWow. And as you know already, SketchWow includes dozens of templates, or over 100 templates, depending on if you are on our standard or pro plan. So you've got a lot of templates to choose from, right? So for example, let's go ahead up to the top here under the file menu. You'll notice a few new options. Under add pages, you can add a blank page, which is pretty normal. We had that before. Now you can also add a page from a template, or you can add a page from a file. So you see how this works now? So it really just blows open the doors of the capabilities on how you creatively pull in other templates or other documents or files you've created and add them to your existing documents. So in this example, I'm going to go and select a page to be added using an existing template. So when I do that, you're familiar with this already, it goes to the actual template viewer. Now let's say suppose that I like this Let's Brainstorm template right here, okay? I'm going to click on it. It's going to warn me that the actual template size is larger than the current canvas size. So I'm going to increase the canvas size, that's no problem. And voila, here's the template. You can see it's now added this page 4. Now let's say suppose I like this kind of cool light bulb graphic. So I'm going to click on that, make sure that everything is selected, right? I'm going to right click, I'm going to go copy, I'm going to go back to, let me see what page I want to add it to here. Let's see, maybe over here. So I'll go right here, paste. Okay, I want to put that cool graphic in here, and I'm going to go ahead and resize it, rotate it, And voila, there you go. Now we see how it works. We have an existing template. We're just pulling in cool elements from those templates to add into our sketches. And as I mentioned before, the reverse can happen as well. You can go ahead and start with a template and then open up existing files from documents you created, weeks or months ago, and then you really start to mishmash those together. And as I mentioned earlier, we can change the background color of this particular slide, and it's not going to impact the other slides we have here. So how cool is that, right? Each of these slides is independent in terms of the background color that you use. And I mentioned before, when you're importing an image into SketchWow, you can simply go and right click, and now you can flip horizontal, right? Have it face the other way. It gives you much more options here when working with images that you import into SketchWow, or also if you're working with any type of animations, which I'll show you right here. So for example, let's say we want this guy or girl to face the other way. Once again, we can flip it so now it's facing left as opposed to facing right. So this is a very short video, but has a lot of impact, as I'm sure you'll appreciate, because of these new features we added to SketchWow. In particular, the ability to add templates or add documents into existing templates or documents. So I hope you're thrilled about this new version 1.4.9. We're really proud of it. And again, it's based upon a lot of feedback and requests we got over the past few weeks. So I'm gonna pause this video here. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.